In Latin, counting begins with unus duo tres. These are cardinal numbers, counting numbers, distinct from ordinals like primus, secundus, tertius, which indicate rank. The term cardinal originates from the Latin cardo cardinus, meaning a hinge, a pivot for a door. In a broader sense, cardo can refer to the North Pole, around which the sky seems to pivot. Cardinal numbers are foundational, the pivot points upon which all other numbers depend. And this concept of pivotal importance extends to the term cardinalis, implying principal or chief, like the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. And this leads us to the cardinals of the Catholic Church, known for their power, importance, and distinctive red robes. The color is so striking that the North American songbird, with its vibrant red feathers, is also named a cardinal. Europeans saw resemblance to the religious vestments in the bird's plumage. The cardinal's red feathers can stand out in a typically muted landscape, drawing the eye much like a pivot point. In any situation, you can think of the cardinal as a central, pivotal element around which everything else revolves.